guys, today I have a rolling cart, basically, on wheels, and it's filled with ball pit balls. So sit back, relax, grab a snack, and enjoy this fun ball pit ball tub on wheels. So, yeah. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. The cops is here, y'all. Y'all, the cops is here. Oh, man. Oh, great. Here we die. Y'all, we could have just died, bro. Go faster! Yo! Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Honestly, it was the most funnest video. I know funnest isn't a word, but fun video I've ever made. Fun $13 I've ever spent in my life. So, yeah. Leave in the comments what you guys want me to do next with these ball pit balls, and I will do them. So, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.